Okay, so there was the platform that I've since filled up with all the stuff that I want to keep, at least for now. And I've cleared out everything, the whole rest of the crawl space, multiple trips, a lot more than I thought, but all done now. So it's over here. Replace some insulation that had fallen down. So now the plan is I'm going to start digging somewhere around in here and go all the way up to about there, I hope, and across and even, and build a floor like this, except it's going to be about level with the door stoop there, I hope. That's the plan. So lots of dirt, lots of digging. That's my plan for now, but that could change whenever I start digging and see how hard it is. So that's it for now. Okay, this is Project Crawlspace part 4208, or at least that's what it seems like. So here's the progress. I'm finally done digging. It's down far enough to where I'm going to have about a I think 7'2", 7'3" ceiling, which is plenty big. Just doesn't look like it's much dirt gone, but to give you an idea of how much that is, didn't really have a place to take the dirt, so I put it all in here. That is a lot of dirt. It's probably I don't know, 2 pickup beds full. I don't know. It's a lot of dirt. So that's what I used to level everything out, or took out to level everything out. And then I got a little lazy and I just started dumping it on the lower part here. But we're all square now. So what I'm gonna do, or what I decided to do, was put some of the piers, concrete piers, but I'm gonna bury them all the way down. I'm only gonna put them 12 inches deep, and I'm gonna set the 4x4 post anchors in the concrete, and let that be the base. So this is my my start on that, these 3. And I was trying to figure out how to space these out right, so they would be as close to perfect as I could get. And I thought, why not just use the rafters up here? So that's what I did. Just hung a plumb bob from it, and pretty close right now. And I'll get them as perfect as I can whenever I set the post anchors in, because it'll be really easy to level out and once they're in. So that's where we stand now on that. I think I'm going to end up having 3 here. I'll extend over to where it'll be right at 12 feet across. I ran into some concrete footing right there, so that kind of decided where I was going to stop, and concrete there as well. And then concrete here for those big piers, which I didn't want to mess with. So go all the way down here. Eventually, once this portion here is all built, I'll attach it to over here. And then hopefully get some shelves to put all that garbage on. So that's where we stand now. Did these 3 today. I'm gonna have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably 12 total. So hopefully I can do 3 a day and be ready to do concrete this next weekend. So there you have it.